Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track order on Shein. So in order to track order on Shein, all you need to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to track your order on Shein, obviously you'll have to exit out of your Shein application and then open up your Google Chrome or any of the browser, whichever is convenient for you. After that, you need to type in Shein order track, and that's going to direct you to this kind of interface. Here you'll be provided with lots of links. So first of all, you need to go ahead and tap on the link that says parcelapp.com's shop.shein. Just go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll be asked to enter in the tracking number. So that's going to be provided on the particular order under it, and then you need to just go ahead and tap the icon located right in the corner, and you'll be able to see the detail of your product. So that's basically how you can track order on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.